Hello boys and girls, nice to see you, hope you're all well. Today we're going to have a dinosaur story, but not just about ordinary dinosaurs. These are Dino Diggers, and you can see there's one here who's driving this big machine. It's called Digger Disaster. The story is by Rose Impey, but the pictures are by Chris Chatterton. And you can see it says free inside. There's a dino digger to build. Well, let's have a look inside. Here are the Dino Diggers. We are the Dino Diggers, the best in Dino Town. We put things right when they go wrong and never let you down. There's Terry, she's the boss. And there's Tyrone, Ricky, Bruno, and Stacy. So let's find out what happens. Dino Diggers, Digger Disaster. Today, Tyrone T Rex, here he is. Tyrone T Rex and the Dino Diggers are building a new car factory for Mr. Allosaurus. Here's Mr. Allosaurus. He's just looking at the plans, at what it's going to look like when it's finished. But Mr. Allosaurus doesn't look very happy. He's a busy man and an impatient one. I can't wait till the next ice age, he tells Pterodactyl. I want those foundations laid by the end of the day. He's in a hurry. Terry's the one in charge. Leave it to us, she says. You know our motto. The best in town. Dino Diggers never let you down. Terry hurries to get on with the work, but a sudden wind almost blows her plans away. Luckily, Ricky Raptor, the new apprentice, is there to catch them. Well, almost. Oh, look, there they go. The other Dino Diggers laugh as they watch Ricky chase the plans. Once he's caught them, Terry tells Ricky to hold on to them. That's your job for today. Back to work, the rest of you, she squawks. Tyrone T Rex is ready to start digging out the foundations. And Stacy Stegosaurus is ready to move the earth. You know what to do, Terry tells them. Keep an eye on the plan and work as fast as you can. As usual, Tyrone's in such a hurry to get started, he barely looks at the plans. Fast, he boasts. I'll be like a mighty meteorite. Just watch me. Oh dear. In no time, Tyrone and his backhoe have dug a huge hole, and Stacy has soon cleared away the earth, but suddenly, bang, crash. Everyone is wet through, and it isn't even raining. The water seems to be coming out of the ground. Oh no, the backhoe has cracked a water main. Water gushes everywhere like a great waterfall. There's a big pipe in the ground that's been broken. All the Dino Diggers come running. Someone get the water turned off, squawks Terry. Bruno Brachiosaurus goes off to do it, but Tyrone thinks fast too. He cleverly turns the backhoe bucket to cover the hole, and the water stops gushing, for now at least. What a dino digging disaster, groans Terry. Oh dear. Terry can't understand how this happened. That water pipe was clearly marked on the plans. How could Tyrone have missed it? Oh, now Terry can see what happened. Someone has turned the plans upside down. "Sorry, boss," says Ricky, blushing. Oh dear, here's Ricky. Terry shakes her head and looks at the clock. How will they ever be ready for Mr. Allosaurus? "Leave it to us, boss," says Tyrone. The Dino Diggers are soon working super fast to put things right. Once the water's properly turned off, Tyrone quickly clears the soil from around the pipe, while Stacy speedily clears it out of the way. "We're both working like mighty meteorites," she laughs. And so is Bruno. As soon as the pipe's clear, can you see the broken pipe? He expertly swings his tall tower crane into action. First, he carefully lifts out the broken pipe and then gently lowers in the new one. All day, the Dino Diggers work hard to lay the foundations for the new car factory. Terry's very proud of them all. "What dino digging teamwork," she says. She's really pleased. When Mr. Allosaurus comes back on site, he looks much happier too. "I knew I could rely on you," he tells Terry. "The Dino Diggers never let you down." It says factory open, and here are some balloons. Hooray for the Dino Diggers, another job well done. Here are other stories full of dino digging fun. Digger disaster, crane calamity, and dumper truck danger. Do you remember which one this one is? Digger disaster. And look, it looks like you can make your very own digger here. Can you see all the pieces? And this says how to build your dino and digger. It tells you the instructions how to make it. Well, that will be fun. There's the back cover. And here is the front and back cover together. Dino Diggers, Digger Disaster. A great Dino Diggers story. I hope you liked it. Goodbye.